How to find your NGL account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find your NGL account. So to know how you can do that, watch this video till the very end. First of all, go to the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you can simply search for NGL, and if you see any install or update option available, then you can simply update or install it. Then you can simply open it. So there is one thing that you can only open your NGL application by connecting with your Instagram account. You just need to tap your Instagram username and then you can open your NGL application, because your NGL account is your Instagram account. So you can simply connect your NGL account with your Instagram account. So just tap on the username of the account that you want your NGL account to be. So that's simply how you can find your NGL account as well. You can simply use the username, type your username on the NGL account, and then tap on the search button, and then you are done. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.